The American Civil Liberties Union of West Virginia has filed a federal lawsuit. Our Joe DeCristofaro, he joins us live in the studio. And Joe, can you tell us more about this lawsuit and why they decided to do that?
Well, Gina, the ACLU filed the lawsuit after a Marshall University student had their legal status revoked. According to the ACLU, the student has his F1 visa, commonly known as a student visa, and was informed that his status was being revoked only a month before graduation. The American Civil Liberties Union of West Virginia has filed a federal lawsuit following a Marshall University student having his legal status revoked with just 4 weeks left before graduation. ACLU West Virginia Legal Director Aubrey Sparks says part of the lawsuit is to get clarity from the government.
And so asking the government to clarify, does he have legal status to be here right now? Can he attend his classes in these last few weeks before the end of the school year and the end of his program? That's going to be what lets him finish on a strong note like he deserves to.
In a statement released, the student did say, quote, "I desperately want to complete my graduate degree and pursue work in the United States. It is clear this wasn't a decision based on my circumstance or experience. This was a predetermined outcome, and they just said whatever needed to be said to justify it, even when it didn't apply to me." Sparks says the student learned his legal status was revoked following a criminal records check that showed he had a DUI that happened in 2020 in Indiana. Sparks says the student disclosed this information when he applied for his visa and was approved.
He did everything like he should have. He disclosed it. He was awarded the visa. He was awarded his legal status here, despite the fact that he had that background. And then despite doing everything the right way, he had the rug yanked out under him less than a month before graduation.
Sparks says it's not just West Virginia, but this is happening all around the country.
It wasn't West Virginia specific, where international students had their visas revoked, their legal status revoked, and then were informed by their schools that they could no longer attend classes, and were informed by their schools that they may need to self-deport and leave the country.
Sparks says the reason students have a legal status revoked is for not maintaining their status and a criminal background check, neither of which apply to the Marshall student due to his DUI happening before getting his visa. Live in the studio, Joe DeCristofaro, Eyewitness News.